Welcome to Food Formulas. Take a blender. Add 300 grm chicken, 2 boiled potatoes, 1 medium-sized onion, 2 cloves garlic, 1 TSP Chilli flakes, 1 TSP Black pepper powder, 1 TSP Red chili powder, 1 TSP salt, ACC to taste. Blend it well. Take mixture into a bowl. Add to TPSB bread crumbs. 1/4 cup cornstarch. Mix it well until everything combines. Grease your hands. Take a small portion from batter. Make a patty. Use any object for making whole, or you can use your fingers. Now start coating. Take an egg. First coat in egg. After that, coat in bread crumbs. Now put it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Take a pan, pour oil for deep frying. Heat the oil on medium flame. Add chicken downs. Fry until they cooked complete. Maximum 4 to 5 minutes. Take out the downs when they turn golden brown. Enjoy with sauce of your choice. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.